When I say narcissists rarely apologizes, they rarely do. And when they do so in their unique, further abusive way. A narcissist's apology sounds abusive because there's zero accountability in it. And it's laced with arrogance and ego. First, they create the problem. Secondly, they blame you for the problem. Thirdly, they stop communicating with you and begin to give you the silent treatment. Fourthly, they wait for you to become frustrated and lose your temper. And just then, they label you as the crazy one. This is in no way an apology. You can relate to this if you have ever encountered or currently encountering a narcissist. To learn more about coping with narcissists and healing from their abuse, click on the link in our bio to join our healing and therapy program, which starts in a few days. My name is Mr. Revolution, and I hope this helps.